Hello children, welcome back to Shet Vidya Mandir audio video lesson. I am your Miss Nilofer, and children, today we are going to read lesson number 11, Good Habits and Good Manners. Okay children, so now I am going to count till 10 and I want you all to be ready with your SST textbook. So I am going to start counting, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5, 7, 8, 8.5, 9 and 10. Very good children. Now pay attention. I am going to read the whole lesson for you. You have to just pay attention the way I am reading, and then you can practice it on your own. Lesson number 11, Good Habits and Good Manners. Meera is standing in a queue, waiting for her bus. The school bus stopped at the bus stop. Suddenly, Anu pushes Meera and gets into the bus. Meera falls and gets hurt. Anu's mother help her to get into the bus. Anu's mother, Anu, say sorry to Meera. Anu, but mom, why should I say sorry? Anu's mother, you pushed her. When you make a mistake or hurt someone, you must say sorry. Anu, sorry Meera, I will not do it again. Meera, it's okay. So children, now when we are reading our first page, what we have read, there is this girl known as Meera. Okay, she's standing in a queue. Queue means a straight line. So they are standing and they are waiting for their bus. And when the bus comes, Anu, she pushes Meera and she tried to get in the bus. Okay, when this happened, Anu's mother tell Anu that she is wrong and asks her to say sorry to Meera. Then Anu asks her mother, why should I say sorry? Then her mother teaches her that it is wrong to push someone. So children, what have we learned here? That pushing someone is very bad. Now come, let us read the next page. The school bus reaches the school. Meera, please help me to get down from the bus. Anu, hold my hand tightly and get down slowly. Meera, thank you. Anu, you are welcome. So children, then what happens? The school bus reaches the school. As it comes to school, now Meera has fallen down, so she have got hurt. So Meera asks help from Anu. She asks her to help her to get down from the bus. Anu tell her, come on, hold my hand tightly and I will help you to get down from the bus slowly. Then Meera says, thank you. Then Anu, she says, you're welcome. Now children, there is a pink box. Come, let us read what is written there. Fact. Namaste, sorry, please, thanks are magic words. When we say this word to someone, it shows our manners. So children, all this word, namaste, sorry, please, thanks are the magic words. And whenever we say this word, for example, if I want a book from you, so I'll say, Rahul, please give me your book. So when you give me your book, and when I say this word please, it shows that I am a very good girl. And after you giving me book, I will say thank you. So it again shows that I am a good girl. So children, you should always remember this word and use it whenever needed. Then We should have good habits to be healthy. Good habits makes us liked by everyone. So children, we all should have good habits. This good habit makes us healthy and everyone likes us because of this good habit. Now, let us read next. Good habits. Some good habits for good health are as followed. So children, as we know, good habit keep us healthy. Let us see which good habit will make our health good. First is exercise daily. Then brush your teeth twice a day. Take a bath daily in the morning. Shampoo and comb your hair after taking a bath. Keep your nail, ear and nose clean. So children, all this habit help us to become healthy. So you should always exercise, brush your teeth, take bath, comb your hair and keep your nails clean. Okay children? Now our next page. So here they have asked us a question. When someone hurts you, what will you say? So children, they have given us 4 options. Can't you see? I will slap you. I am just okay. Be careful. So children, what do you think among these 4? What should we say? Yes, we should say be careful. So if someone hurt us by mistakenly, what are we going to say them? Be careful. Very good. Now we have a quiz zone. Cross out the picture which you think is wrong. Now children, there we have 5 pictures. Let us see which is wrong. In the first picture, there are 2 persons and they are standing in queue. Standing is queue, right or wrong? Yes, it is right. So we are not going to do anything. Then the second picture, there is this boy. He's washing his fruits before having it. So is it good or bad? Yes, it is good. So again, this is right. Then the third one, this girl, she's putting her finger in her nose. Is it right or wrong? Wrong. We should not put fingers in our nose. So cross it, put a wrong in that box. Then the fourth one, this boy is doing exercise. Doing exercise is good or bad? Yes, it is good. So put a tick mark. And the last one, there's this boy. He's keeping all his books properly in the shelf. It is good or bad? Yes, it is good. So we are going to put a tick mark. Then we have writing zone. A. Understand and complete the sentence with the help of the clue. So what clues they have given us? Namaste, thank you, it's okay, please, sorry. These are our options. Let us see what are we going to write. The first one. When we meet our elders, we say dash. So children, whenever you meet your grandma, grandpa, uncle, auntie, what do you say? Yes, you say namaste. So you're going to write namaste. Then the second one. When we want something, we say dash. So when you want something, what do you say? Yes, we say please. Third one, when we get gifts, we say, so someone is gifting you or something, they are giving you something. What are you going to say? Thank you. Very good. The fourth one, when we hurt someone. So when we hurt someone, we say sorry. Yes, we have to say sorry. Now the fifth one, when someone says thank you to us, we say dash. If someone says thank you, we are going to say it's okay. Very good children. Now let us go to the next page. Now B. Write any 2 good habits you have learned. Now I am giving you this as your homework. Any 2 habits, children, which you think is good, you are going to write. 2 habits which you have learned at home and 2 which you have learned at school. Now children, this whole page is an homework for you. Okay, you're going to read it on your own and you're going to try to solve it. Okay children, I hope you will complete your homework. Till that, take care. See you soon. Bye bye.